Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and also share this video. A CCTV footage of rapper aka being gunned down. A very sad and heartbreaking footage of how our beloved South African rapper was gunned down has been released and leaked on all social media platforms, you guys. I first saw the video just a few minutes ago on Twitter. In the video, it seems like aka is hugging someone, so I'm assuming as a fan. Little did he not know that he will be shot 6 times and die, you guys. So I'm going to blur the part of him being shot in respect for his family and loved ones.
Okay, thank you.
You guys, if you want to watch the video, you guys can go to Twitter or Facebook to check the video out. Like, I'm so sad, you guys. I hope that the people who did that to him will be arrested and face heavy sentences, because no human deserves what they did to him, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and also share. I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.